3 liters. Okay, and total pressure is given. Total pressure is 780 torr. Okay, and the temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Also, they have given the vapor pressure, or you can say the partial pressure of water vapor, which is 25 torr at that particular temperature. You have to find out the mass of the hydrogen gas which is collected over water. Now, what do we mean by this? अपने पास एक कंटेनर है, ठीक है, उसका वॉल्यूम है 3 लीटर एंड उसमें उसके ऊपर जो टोटल प्रेशर है इनसाइड दैट कंटेनर, ओके, दैट इज 780 टॉन, ठीक है। उसके नीचे क्या है? वाटर। अभी वाटर है तो वाटर का वेपर्स भी रहेगा उसमें, तो वेपर्स का पार्शियल प्रेशर अपने को दिया हुआ है। नाउ हाउ विल वी सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन? लेट अस सी। नाउ सी दिस। फर्स्ट लेट अस फाइंड आउट। Now, how many of you all remember this formula? PVM is equals to small m RT. P is pressure, V is volume, M is molar mass, small m is given mass, or rather mass of the gas, and R is your universal gas constant, and T is your absolute temperature. Right? ये हमने सीखा था। फिर V को एक साइड V पर हम लोग ये साइड पे लेके जाएंगे डिनोमिनेटर में, दूसरे साइड पे, तो m अपॉन v क्या हो जाएगा? डेंसिटी। सो वी गेट द फॉर्मूला Pm इज इक्वल्स टू DRT। ऐसा हमने फॉर्मूला देखा था लास्ट क्लास में, राइट गाइस? Am I connected, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, see, listen, you have to answer because I'm using the phone. Now, since I'm using the phone, I will not be able to see the chat. So, let us keep one volunteer, any one person who keeps on answering, so that I get, I'm connected and constantly in touch with you people. So, who is going to be that volunteer?
Sir?
Yes, beta. ठीक है? So you remember this formula, I'm guessing. Pm is equals to DRT. ये वही वाला formula है, modified version. We have not put D density over here. We are using the molar, the volume, and the given mass. Okay. Now, if I use this for hydrogen, for this क्या बोलते हैं? If I put in the pressure, volume, molar mass, R and T values, I can find out the value of small m. That is what is asked. They have asked me to find out the mass of the hydrogen gas collected. But ये लोग ने मुझे total pressure दिया है, अभी total pressure दिया है, and they have given me partial pressure of water vapor. Now this total pressure is going to be the sum of the pressures of the water vapor and hydrogen gas. तो मैं हाइड्रोजन गैस का प्रेशर यहाँ से निकाल लूंगा, और ये जो इक्वेशन मेरे सामने है, यहाँ पे मैं वो प्रेशर का वैल्यू डालेगा। वॉल्यूम गिवन टू बी, मोलार मास हाइड्रोजन का आई नो। व्हाट इज द मोलार मास ऑफ हाइड्रोजन गैस, गाइस? 2। वेरी गुड, इट इज 2। स्मॉल m I have to find. Temperature is given, capital T is given. Okay. Capital T is 27 degrees Celsius. Yeah, but we have to convert it into
300 Kelvin.
300 Kelvin.
Wow. Very good, beta. I'm so proud of you all. So, that is how we'll solve it. I hope everybody has solved it the same way.
Yes, sir.
अरे वाह, तुमने कॉपी वॉपी तो नहीं किया ना कहीं से कि खुद का दिमाग लगाया बस?
खुद से किया सर।
See, I have no other way than to trust you, so I will trust you. So ये small m मेरे को ढूंढने का है, but before this I need to find out the partial pressure of hydrogen. Total pressure is given to me. Total pressure is the sum of the pressures of the gases. यहाँ पे कौन कौन सा गैस है बेटा? हाइड्रोजन गैस है और वाटर वेपर रहेगा बिकॉज इट इज कलेक्टेड ओवर वाटर. So it's going to be pressure of water vapor and pressure of hydrogen. Total pressure कितना दिया है? 784 and what is for water? 25. So what we need to find is partial pressure of hydrogen, which is going to be 780 minus 25. So what do I get? 755 torr, 755 torr. Now I have in torrs. Guys, do I need to convert it into ATM or can I use it simply as torr?
Convert into ATM.
Convert.
Convert.
Very good. Because excellent. Because I'll be using my ideal equation. That is why I need to convert this. So now how did I get this value beta? 0.9934 ATM.
760
कौन बताएगा?
760.
Divide by 760.
Divide by 760. Torrential pressure को जब मैं 760 से divide करूंगा, I will get the pressure in ATM. सबको यही value आया रहेगा, I suppose, because सब लोग बोल रहे हैं. ठीक है? Now let's go back to our initial formula, which will help us give us the mass of the hydrogen gas which is collected. Pressure is 0.9934. Volume is 3 liters given. Molar mass is 2 grams per mole. Mass we have to find. R is 0.08206 and temperature is 27 degrees Celsius, which is 300 Kelvin. Now, if I solve this for the value of M, small m, I have to divide both sides like this. Okay, can I have everyone on mute, please? Yeah. So here we get it. Very good. So I guess everybody got this answer. 0.2, 0.242 gram. Guys, please, किसी का unmute है, please mute कर लो बेटा. Okay. So everybody got this answer, which is very good. I was not expecting anyone to get the answer. So you guys actually surprised me, and I'm happy that yes, you got it. But now see, if you have clicked on the internet and then got the answer, hello, yeah, guys, someone is on unmute. Please mute it now. But let me only be talking at this point of time. Okay, so if you have checked it on the internet and solved, I don't mind that. But up to like if you have understood it, it's good to go. But if you've just copied it from the internet and given me the answer and you've not understood it, then there's a problem. So I'm guessing that you have understood this, right? Everybody, सबको समझ में आया बेटा हमने क्या solve किया और कैसे solve किया? किसी को भी doubt है तो please पूछ लो. किसी को doubt है?
No, sir.
Oh, okay. I'll wait for 3 seconds. If anybody has doubt, you can unmute yourself and ask me question. Anybody out of the 70 students, I guess इसमें नए बच्चे भी हैं. There are new people also. Cool. So yeah, definitely जो नए join हुए हैं उनको तो bouncer गया ही होगा. No idea what we're talking about because we've been meeting for a long time now, right? So good that you were able to solve this sum. Good. So here I have same formula, beta same formula use होगा, but different फाइंडिंग करना है, अपने को मोलार मास ढूंढना है इसमें. Would you like to try? Can I give you 20-30 seconds for this to solve it? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. You can type that if you want. I have logged in it on another device also. You can hear me?
Yes, we can hear
Yes.
you.
Okay. किसी को सॉल्व करते हुआ? पीयूष डोकले. No. कोई बात. बेटा जो हमने अभी सॉल्व किया ना, जो हमने अभी सॉल्व किया एग्जैक्टली वही सॉल्व, वैसा ही वही फॉर्मूला यूज करके इसको आगे सॉल्व करना है. राइट. तुमने लिखा जो हमने अभी सॉल्व किया था? ठीक है, ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट.
Sir, question.
I'm sorry, hold on. Hold on, guys. कितना अनरेस्टफुल हो जाती है ये लड़की. और क्वेश्चन. होल्ड ऑन. Today we are going to learn a different concept also. What was anybody written question? क्या था? Hold on.
Right? दिख रहा है सबको?
Yes.
सर CO2.
Excellent.
44 पॉइंट आ रहा है.
4
आए
44.
so
CO2.
केदार को 44 आया and the answer will be CO2. Right? Anybody else same answer?
CO2.
Yeah,
CO2.
that's right, beta. That's right. CO2 is the correct answer. You can type now, okay?
Yes.
The answer is correct. See the solution, guys. जिन लोग को नहीं आया ना, वो लोग के लिए solution देखते हैं बेटा. Now look over here. Total pressure will be total pressure of water vapor plus total pressure of the gas which we need to find. What is total pressure? 749. Partial pressure of water vapor kitna diya? 23.76 plus partial pressure of the gas. So what's going to be the partial pressure of the gas according to this? 725.24 torr. 725.24 torr. अभी ये 725.24 टॉर जो है ये मुझे पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑफ द अननोन गैस मिला है. इसको जब मैं कन्वर्ट करेगा एटीएम में बाय डिवाइडिंग इट बाय 760 गेट आंसर है 0.943. इतना लिखा सब लोग ने. बेटा जिन लोग को नहीं, जो लोग नहीं सॉल्व कर पाए उनके लिए ये स्क्रीन पे है, तो इफ यू वांट टू राइट इट डाउन यू कैन डू इट. If you want me to wait that you are writing, I'll wait also. Just let me know. Otherwise, I will keep on going ahead. Should I go ahead?
Yes.
Cool. So we got the partial pressure as 0.9543 atm. Now we'll use the same equation which we used. PVM is equals to MRT, pressure 0.9543. ठीक है, हम किसके लिए? अननोन गैस के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं. टोटल प्रेशर नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे. अननोन गैस का जो प्रेशर है वो यूज करना है हमको, बिकॉज उसका हम लोग को ये ढूंढना है, मोलार मास ढूंढना है, और उसी का मास अपने को दिया है. व्हाट इज द मास? 4.722 grams. Volume is 2.75. Capital M you need to find out. Mass given is 4.722 grams. R ची व्हॅल्यू टाकायची आणि टेम्परेचर आपल्याला किती दिलाय? 298 केल्विन. हे सगळे व्हॅल्यू याच्यात टाकून जेव्हा आपण सॉल्व करतात तेव्हा आपल्याला मोलार मास किती मिळतो? आपल्याला मोलार मास मिळतो 44. आणि आपल्याला ऑप्शन्स किती दिलेत? 5 ऑप्शन्स दिलेत. हायड्रोजन, हिलियम, नायट्रोजन, कार्बन डायऑक्साइड आणि झेनॉन. So accordingly you will so when I solve for it, what molar mass do I get? I get it as 44 gram per mole, like most of you all have got it. Hydrogen is 4. नहीं, it is 2. Helium is 4. Nitrogen is 28. Xenon is 83.8. Carbon dioxide is 44. So our answer is going to be carbon dioxide. सगळ्यांना कळलं का?
हो कळलं.
अभी तुम लोग टाइप कर सकते हो, बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है, because I have the what do we say, chat box in front of me. Excuse me. Okay, सबने लिख लिया बेटा ये? So I can move ahead. Okay. If you can see the screen. क्या ना बीबी?
Yes, sir.
Cool. First, let us read the question. The rate of effusion of oxygen is 0.20 mole per minute at a certain temperature. Calculate the rate of effusion of helium gas at this temperature. Now this word effusion, ये पहली बार सुन रहे हो? Have you heard of the word diffusion? Effusion, diffusion. Guys,
Sir, voice is breaking.
heard of this word effusion? No. Okay. Okay. Not word of the word effusion and diffusion. Diffusion भी नहीं सुना बेटा किसी ने? Diffusion, diffuse होना. Fine, cool, no problem. No issues, no issues. Let me. Extremely sorry for this continuous glitch today. Today is a very, I don't know what's happening. I'll have to contact my ISP guy. Now, outside air is going to come in this room which I just opened. Okay, so can I say that the air which was outside, it mixed with the air which is inside the room? Guys, I am audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, now also your voice is breaking.
Students, I'm not going to share the screen. I'm just going to speak for some time. Okay, so just listen to me. I need I hope I am audible now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
fine,
sir.
fine. Very good, excellent. So what I'll do is now, guys, I'm not going to share the screen for some time because I want you to listen to a concept, and maybe when this technical glitches clear out, then I'll share the screen and all with you guys. Okay. So what you need to understand. So now you can even speak. Huh? I don't have any issues because तभी थोड़ा technical problem था इसलिए वो सब issue आ रहा था. So now tell me, what do you know by this word diffusion? What do you understand by this word diffusion? Anyone?
Speak beta, speak. आप mic unmute के बात करो, because reading the chat is going to be troublesome for me right now. Rohit says to spread. Virat says getting separated. Okay, spread and getting separated, two different things.
Fuse jana.
The spreading of something more widely. The gas molecule spread inside the container to disconnect. Movement of substance is very good. This is a little closer, Priya. To break. Okay. Diffusion of gas. Now we are talking in terms of gas beta. So let us assume one thing. Just give me 2 seconds. Let us assume one thing. Okay. So when I am saying that I am in a room. Okay, I'm in my room. Yeah, very good. Low to high concentration movement of substances. Yes, correct. So I am sitting inside my room, and what happens is I'm sitting in a closed room. So this closed room has no source of external air to come in. ठीक है, कोई भी external air का source नहीं है. अब अचानक से I open the door. Now what is going to happen when I open the door? जो air बाहर था वो अंदर आएगा. जो air बाहर था, बाहर का air का pressure ज्यादा है. Assuming that, okay? So we all know that whenever there is movement of anything, or whenever we say a quantity, it is always from a higher concentration area to a lower concentration area, right? We all know this. From low
Yes, sir.
to high concentration. क्या हो गया बेटा? Yes, बेटा. So when I am opening the door, the air from outside is going to come inside, and it's going to mix with the inside air. Now this phenomenon is called as diffusion. Okay, so air from higher pressure area mixes with air from a low to a low pressure area. Okay, higher pressure area to low pressure. Now, oh, these dogs, they are going crazy. I don't know why. So now when I talk, I'm clearly audible, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Fine. So this is what I was talking about. Okay, you can see me, guys. Everybody can see me.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So this is me. I teach you chemistry. Now, so what are we talking about? We are talking about diffusion, right? So अभी जैसे कि मैं बाहर आया. Okay, so I had to open up the door between me and the gallery. So when this happened, what actually happened? The air from a higher pressure area started flowing to the air to the lower pressure area. So this movement of air from a higher pressure area to a lower pressure area, that is what is your diffusion. Okay. Now what is this word effusion? वो numerical में हमने क्या देखा था? Effusion word देखा था. So what is this effusion word? अभी consider a बर्तन, ठीक है? Consider a बर्तन or consider. Do you hear the dogs barking?
Yes, sir.
I hope they are not disturbing. Dogs are nice creatures, so we should love them. And consider a box. Consider a container. ठीक है? So is packed. This container is completely packed. अभी इसके अंदर ना एक कोने में एक होल पड़ेगा. होल पड़ेगा मतलब कोने में होल पड़ेगा बोले तो पूरा उसका ढक्कन नहीं खोलेगा. उसका सब क्या बोलते हैं जो वॉल्स है वो ओपन नहीं करेगा. सिर्फ एक होल पड़ेगा. So will the air inside this container go outside? ओ हाँ भाई हाँ, बाद में भौंकना. चलो. The air will go. Now I have one question. पहला सिनेरियो मैंने आपको बताया कि I walked out of the room, I opened up the gate, and the air started flowing from one area to other area. Same is happening over here. When I make a hole inside that container, air is going to start flowing from inside to outside, because under comparatively higher pressure as compared to outside, because under surrounded tha, locked tha. So tell me one thing, kahan pe there is going to be faster movement of gas? Where is there going to be faster movement of gas? You can speak, please don't chat, don't type, because the reading is going to be a task for me.
Diffusion.
What, beta? Huh? What are you saying? I couldn't hear you, beta.
In diffusion.
In diffusion, it's going to be faster. Okay.
Effusion.
And in diffusion, okay. And in effusion, it's going to be slower. Very good. Yes. Rohit says yes. Correct. This is the difference between diffusion and effusion. Okay. This is the major difference between diffusion and effusion. When I talk about diffusion, I'm talking about a bigger surface from where air is being exchanged. And when I talk about effusion, effusion is a point surface from which air is trying to escape or trying to क्या बोलते हैं, share. Okay. Did you get the difference between diffusion and effusion, beta?
Yes.
अच्छा. Everybody? चलो everybody message कर रहे हैं. अच्छा, अच्छा. So let me give you an example now. What will you say about ये cyclone? पता सब लोगों को cyclone? Why does a repeat once बोला? Okay. Repeat once किसने बोला? स्नेहा ने. So Sneha, when air is moving from one room to the other, it happens because we are opening the walls, we are opening the door, and a huge amount of air is moving. But when I'm considering a box or a container, and I put a small hole in that box or container, the air is restricted to move only through that hole and no other outlet. So जो पहला सिनेरियो था that is diffusion, जो दूसरा सिनेरियो है that is effusion. Did you get it, beta? Sneha Builder?
Yes, sir.
Cool. अच्छा. Yes, Rohit. Graham's law बोलता है Rohit. So everybody knows this cyclone वाला thing. Cyclones कैसे होते हैं? It happens because the air from higher pressure area, from a very high pressure area, moves to a very low pressure area. अचानक से there is going to be a low pressure area created on the globe, and air is going to start moving to that area. The movement is so fast that वो cyclone बन जाता है, right? So that can we compare it with a diffusion phenomenon? That is not diffusion, but can we compare it with a diffusion phenomenon? Correct. Yes, right. So this is what the difference is between diffusion and effusion. Diffusion और effusion के बीच में, this is the major क्या बोलते हैं difference. अभी last class में, if you remember, have I talked about real gases and ideal gases? Have we discussed about real gases and ideal gases?
Yes.
Just to okay. No, Kedar says no. Acha, Kedar was not present. Okay, fine. Let me repeat it for all the people who are new. Fine. So you know what? We were discussing about real gases and ideal gases also. So what is this real gas? What is this ideal gas? So जब हमने chapter किया था ना बेटा, उस time पे ना we had discussed about many क्या बोलते हैं properties of gases, and out of those properties I want people to tell me those properties one by one. Any one person who is having a clear voice and a good connection can speak. Who should I assign it to? कौन बोलेगा? For our new friends, जो हम लोग को अभी नया ज्वाइन हुए हैं बच्चे लोग, उनको क्या बोलते हैं, उनको हेल्प करने के लिए क्विकली कौन रिवाइज कर देगा हमारा गैसेस का प्रॉपर्टीज को? नो?
Sir.
Yes, is this सही?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if have you written all the properties which we had written for the gases, beta?
Yes.
Which points? क्या था उस थियरी का नाम, क्या लिखा था हमने बेटा?
What?
What was the name of that theory which we had written?
Hello, sir.
Yes, beta. What was the name of the theory that we had written?
Sir, आपका वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है.
अभी तो ब्रेक नहीं हो रहा है कुछ भी. यार रोहित से सुना बरोबर. Kinetic theory of gases, remember?
हाँ.
Oh boy, अभी सुना ना kinetic theory of gases. So I want you to revise kinetic theory of gases for our new friends जो हम लोग को नया ज्वाइन किए ना बेटा, उनको हमको बताना है कि gases का, ideal gases का properties क्या क्या होता है. Have you written it down? If I remember, I had dictated the point.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, so कौन बोलेगा? आप बोलोगी सही या फिर should I ask any someone else if you are having issues with the?
Sir, should I?
Please.
Okay. Gaseous state kinetic molecular theory assumptions. Gases are made up of large number of molecules. These molecules are identical in nature. The gas molecules are in
Very good.
continuous random straight line motion. They constantly collide with each other and walls of the container. This constitutes the pressure of the gas. The intermolecular force of attraction.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
New students, you are listening to her, right, beta? She's helping you out. She's reading out the points which we had discussed. Okay. Yeah, so they are listening to you. Very good. So what did she say? She has written down. She has read out 2 points. Gas molecules are made up of many identical atoms or molecules which are similar in shape and size. Okay. What was the second point, Sahi, which तुमने जो बोला था?
Sir, I am not Sahi, I am Astha.
Sir, sorry. Actually, network issue था.
It's okay, Sahi. It's okay, beta. It's okay. Let Astha speak. Astha was clear. It's okay, Sahi. I appreciate your help, beta. And Astha, thank you so much. Can you read out the second point, beta?
Yes.
Yes.
They constantly collide with each other and walls of the container. This constitutes
Yeah.
the pressure
Gas
of the
molecules,
gas.
na? Yeah, these gas molecules, they are constantly in motion. Gas molecules जो होते हैं ना, वो हमेशा they are always moving. They are never still. And when they are moving ना, they are continuously colliding with each other and also the walls of the container in which they are in. So suppose gas molecules room में है, तो room के gas molecules continuously एक दूसरे का टकरा रहे हैं, उसके साथ साथ walls के साथ भी टकरा रहे हैं. If gas molecules are in a bottle, then they are continuously colliding with themselves as well as with the walls of the bottle. Third point, beta. Next point.
The intermolecular force of attraction in gases is negligible. Collision.
This is important to understand. एक minute. Now, point which he said, this is a very major differentiation between real gases and ideal gases. So, ideal gases का जो point है, आस्था ने क्या बोला? That the intermolecular force of attraction between gas molecules is negligible. मतलब एक गैस मॉलिक्यूल दूसरे गैस मॉलिक्यूल को बिल्कुल भी अट्रैक्ट नहीं करता है, वो बेटा उससे दूर दूर भागता है। इसीलिए गैसियस स्टेट में मॉलिक्यूल्स का डिस्टेंस बहुत ज्यादा रहता है और वो एक दूसरे से दूर दूर रहता है और उनके बीच में बिल्कुल भी अट्रैक्शन नहीं होता है, वो एक दूसरे को बिल्कुल अट्रैक्ट नहीं करते। दिस इज गैस का प्रॉपर्टीज व्हिच वी आर रीडिंग आउट। यस बेटा आज था।
Collision in gas molecules are perfectly elastic in nature.
परफेक्टली इलास्टिक, जहाँ पे ये वर्ड परफेक्ट है ना बेटा, समझ लेने का दाल में कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, दाल में काला है। ये परफेक्ट वर्ड डजंट एग्जिस्ट, वर्ड एग्जिस्ट बट नथिंग इज परफेक्ट, ऐसा। सो परफेक्टली इलास्टिक कोलिजन मींस व्हाट? दो मॉलिक्यूल्स आए, आपस में टकराए और वापस पीछे चले गए, वो दोनों में देयर इज नो लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी, नो लॉस ऑफ मास, न आए टच किए चले गए, ऐसा आइडिया होता है, ऐसा वो काइनेटिक थ्योरी ऑफ गैस होती है। यस बेटा, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट।
The average kinetic energy of gas molecules is directly proportional to the absolute temperature.
Absolute temperature. The kinetic energy is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. जितना टेम्परेचर आप बढ़ाओगे उतना उसका काइनेटिक एनर्जी बढ़ेगा, उतना उसका मूवमेंट बढ़ेगा गैस मॉलिक्यूल का। यस यस बेटा।
Sir, done.
नेक्स्ट पॉइंट। ओह माय गॉड, इट इज डन।
Yeah.
चलो, very good. So did we discuss on this point that the actual volume occupied by the gas molecules is negligible as compared to the observed volume of the gases? Yes, we had done this also. Mayuresh bolta hai yes. Shravani Kulkarni also says yes. Sahi also says yes. So it one more point, but it was not dictated. कोई बात नहीं, but you remember, see how intelligent you guys are. So if I consider all the gas molecules in a room, they are separate, वो एक दूसरे से बहुत दूर दूर हैं, that is why we say कि वो लोग एक दूसरे से हमेशा दूर भागते रहते हैं, that is why the gas molecules occupy the entire volume of the room which they are in. अभी ये सब गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स को अगर मैं ऐसा मार मार के एक दूसरे के पास में लेके आएगा ना और उनको एक कोने में ऐसा डाल देगा, so that is the actual volume of the gas molecules. Actual volume, अगर सब मॉलिक्यूल्स को मैं लेके आया तो जो ऑब्जर्व वॉल्यूम है वो तो रूम का वॉल्यूम है, वो गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स फैला हुआ है, इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि दैट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस। ठीक है, सो आइडियली क्या है, दिस एक्चुअल वॉल्यूम is negligible as compared to the volume occupied. ठीक है, as compared to the volume occupied. ये सब मेरा गैस का प्रॉपर्टीज है। आइडियली मेरा गैस ऐसा बिहेव करता है, आइडियली माय गैसेस ओबे ऑल द गैस लॉ एंड, ठीक है, ऐसा होता है आइडियली, बट रियलिटी में दिस इज नॉट द ट्रूथ। देयर इज, ये नेग्लिजिबल जो वर्ड है ना, ये सब थियरी में अच्छा लगता है, आपने मैथ्स में भी, आपने डेरिवेशन में भी बहुत देखा होगा, दैट दिस नंबर इज सो लेस दैट इट इज नेग्लिजिबल एंड वी नेग्लेक्ट इट एंड द रेशियो कम्स आउट टू बी दिस। मतलब सपोज ऐसा एक सब जस्ट आई एम गिविंग एन एग्जांपल, लाइक कि आपको एक इक्वेशन आया P by M प्लस क्या बोलते हैं 2.306 ऐसा आया, सो P by M, now since the value M is very large, value of M is very large, that therefore my M ratio is very small. This ratio is very,
और अभी तक पूछ रहे हो कि बता रहे हो? आएंगे पूछा बहुत जल्दी आज मेरा लगने वाला है, पूरी तरह से डाउन किया था, वो डाउन हो गया होंगे ना, मैं रोज दफ्तर घर पे बहुत तकलीफ है, नहीं है।
Sir, I can't hear you.
Hello, sir.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Much and you didn't hear anything. Now I forgot what I was talking. So what was I talking? Where did we stop? Where did you hear me?
Negligible.
Yeah, negligible. So ये word negligible ना, this is very weird. तो ऐसा अपन बोलेंगे एक रेशियो रहेगा P by M. M is having very large value. Therefore, P by M is a very small number. P by M is very lesser than 1. Therefore, it is negligible. ऐसा देखा है पहले कभी भूतकाल में 10th में 9th में डेरिवेशंस करते वक्त एक वैल्यू 1 से इतनी छोटी होती है कि हम उसको नेग्लेक्ट कर देते हैं, नेग्लिजिबल कर देते हैं.
Yes,
ऐसा
sir.
तो नेग्लिजिबल मतलब वी विल नॉट कंसिडर दैट. तो ऐसा ही ना रियल गैसेस में ना वी निग्लेक्ट सो मेनी थिंग, सॉरी आइडियल गैसेस में वी निग्लेक्ट सो मेनी थिंग. इन while applying all the gas laws ना we neglect so many errors. हम लोग बहुत सारी चीजों को neglect कर देते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजों को assume कर देते हैं. That happens when we are considering ideal conditions. But when we are going to consider real conditions, the scenario is going to be different. Scene थोड़ा अलग रहेगा. अभी ये क्या अलग सीन रहेगा वो अपन देखेंगे, ठीक है ना. So we will continue with this. We will continue with diffusion and effusion का एक दो problem, and then we will move on to real gas, ideal gas. Then we are going to see compressibility of gas. We are going to see critical temperature, critical volume, critical pressure. After that, we are going to see some properties of liquid like the vapor pressure, the surface tension, and viscosity, and that would be the end of the theory of this chapter. Okay. Rohit, yes, I did say, right, there's a limit to compress the gas. Why? Because the gas molecules are ultimately matter, and if highly compressible but not compressible to infinity, मतलब मैं उनको पूरी तरह से compress नहीं कर सकता ना, उनको गायब नहीं कर सकता हूँ मैं. There is obviously always there's going to be a limit to compress the gas. Whenever you try to pump something, when you pump it to a maximum extent, उसके बाद वो आपको एक रिवर्स प्रेशर देता है और आपके हाथ से पंप उड़ जाता है, बिकॉज उसके एक लिमिट तक आप उसको कंप्रेस कर सकते हो, उसके बाद वो आपको रिवर्स फोर्स देता है. हैव यू एवर क्या बोलते हैं एक्सपीरियंस दैट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग? टायर के अंदर हवा भरते रहेंगे तो बाद एक दिन के बाद टायर फट जाएगा, राइट? सो ऐसी बात है, वो प्रेशर की वजह से होता है, एंड दैट प्रूव्स दैट दिस इज मैटर. ऐसा. ओके, थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आया बेटा? टुडे देयर वर some glitches, rather many glitches. I'll try to remove glitches by the next lecture, ठीक है? But I guess थोड़ा आपको गया दिमाग में. Okay. So let us continue our discussion in the next lecture. I'll have to run, ठीक है? And I have some other business to do.